Hi, my name is Lotte.
And I'm Domek.
We are two crazy birds tripping around our beautiful planet. Together, we are traveling since quite a long time. And ever since, we haven't really stopped and visited around 50 countries since 2004.
We are also enthusiastic hikers, nature and wildlife lovers. It all started with travel photography, and recently we started sharing our adventures on this channel.
We are Trippin' Birds.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Blue dude, bad mood, sorta witty and jaded, but less.
First room tour of the trip. Here the Domek with the Norwegian flag on his head. We have this little house. Wow, neat little kitchen. Nice living room with a freaking view. We're in the middle of the Lofoten. We're so excited. Then we have, I think it's the bedrooms up here. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. I think bedroom number 3. Bathroom and bedroom.
Gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Not
you have up here, this is Raknes Gård, Raknes Farm. And this is a typical old Norwegian fishing and farming settlement. Up here, as I said, the men were fishermen and the women were farmers. The men, they were gone most of the time of the year in different kinds of fishing all over Norway. So the women have to stay back on the farm, take care of the farm, the children, the elders, everything.
Yeah, more here.
Look at that blue forest.
Yeah, it's incredible, beautiful. First impressions of the Lofoten.
Even when it's bad weather.
Yeah, it's So, welcome back from the Lofoten. The weather's just beautiful. Not this year as well. Say hi. I don't know if you can hear us, but we're here after 2 nice days. We are having one not so nice day, but it's still super beautiful here. We live down there and everything is so cute. Look, beautiful mailboxes. Yeah, and now we are going to explore our little Sund I Lofoten.